Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I'll show you how to change a page URL in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter one of your websites. Go to the Pages tab to see the current page or pages of your website. And let's say that I want to change this family photos page URL or address. Simply click on these three dots next to the page and select Properties. Click on Advanced, then fill in your new address. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features, like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Then fill in your new address. For example, let's call it new address and hit done. Don't forget to click the publish button to save your changes. Click again on publish. As you see, your site has been published successfully. Click on view, and this is my family photo, and the new address or URL is changed to new address. And this is how to change a page URL in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.